Here, let's see what they got for us, right? Can't wait.
Yeah.
I love this place. If you're lucky to find True Worlds, you guys got to check them out. Put some information down below. Give them a call, and you guys can find stuff too here. Real wasabi.
You cannot forget this.
Oh yeah,
Real
I can't wait to see.
wasabi. It's very fresh
Yes.
from Japan. It's really, really expensive.
Right. Thank you so much. Now, if you're a wholesaler or you're a restaurant or even a chef, come and contact Miho. The information is down below, and you guys can buy directly from them. They are the top suppliers for all the top restaurants in Miami area. And how many locations do you have throughout the United States?
Oh, it's a lot. It's about 20.
20 locations.
Yes.
Wow. All right. So if you're watching this, contact them, and hopefully you guys can get to True World. So
Please.
thank you so much. I can't wait to make stuff with you, Hiro. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go back to kitchen.
Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got a wonderful recipe for today.
Yes.
And I can't wait to try this, Hiro. I am in love with this kind of meat. Hiro, let's show everyone what we're talking about.
Talking about this one.
Yes, you've seen in the previous
Yeah.
videos. This is the remainder of this beautiful Japanese A5 Wagyu New York strip. It was $128 for the piece of meat, the piece of steak, which was 1 pound. And to top it off, Hiro, look what we have here
Wasabi.
with real wasabi. This is a treat. Now, many of you don't see wasabi like this because probably 98% of the restaurants out there just use powdered wasabi. Yeah, but we got a big deal today, Hiro. All right, Hiro, what are we making today?
Today we're going to make Wagyu Carpaccio.
Okay, very, very nice.
It's a very simple recipe.
Okay, and we can go through the rest of the ingredients?
Yes. Of course, this one main things.
Yes.
Wagyu here, and here's a wasabi here, and Parmesan cheese, sea salt, and micro wasabi green. And
Yeah, this is also very special. I want to talk about that.
Right.
I tried some off camera. Let me tell you, it's got a little kick to it. It's amazing.
Then I'm gonna use chocolate oil, olive oil, and then also balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna glaze a little bit. And here's a caviar, and this is the sugar, and yuzu, citrus, and a little bit of soy sauce here, and the black pepper.
Okay,
That's it.
very nice. All right, Hiro, let's begin.
Okay. First one, I wanna do balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna heat it up and a little bit of glaze. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit of sugar. Okay, that's it. Then I'm gonna keep into the bowl, and then just making cooling down. Okay, next step, I'm gonna work with the Wagyu beef. This is good, but I'm gonna taking out all the fat section. Okay, next one is a micro.
Take a look at this plate, guys. This is unbelievable. From scratch to this beautiful plate, this Wagyu beef, real wasabi, microgreens, Hiro-san. I think there's no other better carpaccio than this. I promise you that. And just a little confession. In the middle, I'm like, Hiro, we need some white rice. So back in that area, I got some white rice steaming because you gotta enjoy it. That's how you enjoy this kind of beef, in my opinion. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to try this. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us who wants to eat this? Who wants to come and join us?
Yeah.
It's just Hiro and myself today. Hiro-san,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
OMG, that's what I say to this dish. Hiro-san, thank you so much for making this freshly steamed white rice. If you guys are envious, yes, you know, I totally understand. I can't wait to try this, Hiro. All right.
Another Wagyu donburi.
Oh my goodness, enjoy, Hiro.
Okay. First, I'm gonna take these parts. Like that. As carpaccio, I think this is okay.
Yeah? Not too fatty?
Or maybe just a little bit little more sea salt might be good.
Take a look at this.
Because very fatty,
Yeah.
but I put yuzu juice.
Okay.
It's kind of
A little citrus to break down that
citrusy, down.
grease. That's right.
And then we cook a little bit outside.
Mmm.
It's nice too. Nice touch.
Wow, that is delicious. You know, I'm not a real big fan of that balsamic vinegar, but the way you reduced it, it's just perfect. It's not very strong at all. And of course, you can take the taste of beef, but the beef just melts in your mouth. Wow. So many flavors going on here. I don't even need any more wasabi or even soy sauce.
Yeah, you can add more wasabi.
But it's really good. Really, really, really good. Unbelievable. Wow. Hiro-san, this is so, so good.
Yep. With rice.
Little white rice, yeah. It's so good, Hiro. By far, I want to say one of the top 10 dishes I've had in your studio. So, so good.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Well, hopefully the next one's going to be hard to top, but I'm just going to enjoy this moment for right now. And hopefully it can last forever. Thank you, Hiro.
Yep. See you next time.